I'm starting to cooking. Today I want to cook tomato with egg and tomato sauce. This one, the egg and the tomato. Here is the tomato. Look, the tomato I already sliced it. Just ready for cooking right now. Okay. Here is my grandma. One's cooking, one take care. This is my sweet George. Look at her, waiting for me. I'm cooking. Okay. Okay. I'm continue right now to cooking. Today I'm prepare this the 2 pans. This is for the tomato and this for the egg. So today I'm prepare. This is tomato sauce. Okay. Later I'm cooking. Yes, now I'm cooking. I'm prepared already. This is the pan. Now I'm cooking the tomato. Wait a minute. This is tomato. I want to cook right now. This tomato. Wait. Yes, already put inside. During cooking, I want to see my grandma. Wait, look at her. Look, me. Yeah. Me and grandma is in the kitchen. Prepare for the dinner time. This is the egg. I want to fry it now and then put together in the tomato. Yeah, look at tomato. Almost ready. And then I want to put inside. Yeah. Okay, look at tomato and egg inside. It's nice looking, right? Yeah. After I want to put this tomato sauce inside. This is tomato sauce. Look. Now it's already inside in the pan. Inside. Look at this. Look at my food. It's very nice. This is tomato and egg inside in the tomato sauce. Wow, very nice. I finished cooking. Thank you. Thank you for watching me. It's my grandma. Look at the sweet grandma is here. Look, 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 look. Thank you.